Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, kind of helps making where potential levels of support a little bit easier to see. We'll get to that in a little bit, but let's first start by talking about levels of resistance. So if the price does bottom out and get some sort of bounce on Monday, where are some of these hurdles at that the bulls are going to have to cross? Initial level of resistance going to call right there at, oh, that makes it easy, $8 flat. You can see that on a couple of occasions, especially on this bounce right here, the bulls try to get up above there and temporarily did at one point, but then quickly got, smacked back below. So $8 is going to be that initial area of resistance. After $8, next key level is that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. I realize that seems kind of far up there, but keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that level is going to continue to move its way downwards and get more and more relevant in regards to levels of resistance. But before you even, worry about the 50-period, $8 is that initial level. Now for levels of support, and for this we're going to use what's called Fibonacci extensions, and this is just a tool. By no means is it a guarantee of anything, but what it does is it takes how the price has moved in the past and then projects that forward. And this is, I always like to use the analogy, it's kind of like a flashlight in the woods. A flashlight in the woods is going to help you out. It's going to give you some vision, but there's still not a guarantee that you might not fall off a cliff or something like that. So initial area of support is simply right up there at about $6.60. That is just where the bleeding finally stopped today. You can see bulls did a good job of holding here, and then in that afternoon when the price pulled back, once again, bulls did a good job of holding. But in the event that price cannot hold, where are some next potential levels of support? According to the extensions, next level down there at about $5.60. and $4.13. Normally, I would say $4.13, that'd be pretty shocking to see. But just, given the vast amount of downwards pressure on these ones right now, do I think $4.13 is going to get hit on Monday or Tuesday? No, I don't. But would I be shocked? I wouldn't really be shocked either. So we'll see what happens with it. But who knows? Maybe this is, the price leveling off, and then, the bulls are getting ready to bounce the price back upwards. But in the event it does continue to drift downwards, these would be the next potential areas of support. So a lot of eyeballs on these ETFs lately. So I'm sure the trading on Monday will be pretty exciting. So we'll see what happens. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.